Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, development, and economy. You know, I have said it severally in this channel that the PDP is dead. It remains for it to be buried. And no reasonable Nigerian will mourn PDP because PDP deserves what it is getting. To show you how PDP has really deteriorated to this level that I told you that it's a dead party waiting to be finally buried. And I think they are on the verge of being buried. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will help them to bury themselves. You can imagine what is happening in Rivers State. The impeachment saga in Rivers State, where it's alleged by Edwin Clark, the leader of PANDEF, Niger Delta Elders Group, where they accuse Nyesom Wike of being the instigator in chief of the plot to impeach Simi Fubara, the governor of the state. Now that matter has caused tension in that state. It has also raised ethnic tension because Fubara is Ijaw and Nyesom Wike is Ikwere. Now Fubara is the first Ijaw person to become governor since 1999. But meanwhile, the Ikweres have produced about 3 governors, from Peter Odele to Chibika Amechi to Nyesom Wike. Now, this is the first time an Ijaw person, after much struggle, is becoming the governor of the state. And now, for whatever reason, for which a whole lot of allegations are out there in public domain, Nyesom Wike was alleged. Nyesom Wike, who is now the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, was alleged to be the person at the center of the plot to remove the governor. The governor was tear gassed. They poured water on him by the security police and all kinds of things. Now, this matter, you realize that I didn't do a video on it, and I said that this matter has marked the beginning of the end of Nyesom Wike as a major political player in Nigeria. Why I say that because I know that the reason that Nyesom Wike is flexing muscle is because he has the control of Rivers State. If Rivers State slips from his hand, as it is going to happen, Fubara will become more powerful than him. And I told you historically that anybody who becomes governor of Rivers State is always strong. Anybody who becomes governor of Rivers State is always strong. Peter Odele was strong to the level that many thought that he's going to be the successor to President Olusegun Obasanjo. Amechi was governor. He was so powerful that he used that power and the resources behind it to make Buhari, an opposition leader, to emerge the president of Nigeria. And Nyesom Wike has also used that financial resources to make himself the most powerful politician in the People's Democratic Party. And all that has to do with the resources of Rivers State. Because if you have the privilege of handling Rivers State money, you are in a position to shape a lot of things. So if Fubara wins this war, this battle, which I think he will win, it means that the wings of Nyesom Wike will be cut and Fubara will be in charge. Now, this matter now, had gotten to the stage where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu supposedly is now a mediator between Wike and Fubara. Now, after Fubara went to the presidency and they met, they say, President Tinubu intervened and all that to settle the matter. The chairman of PDP Governors Forum, Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, issued a statement where he was praising Tinubu to the high heavens, saying that, thanking the president for helping to resolve matters in their own party. PDP, chairman of PDP Governors Forum, is praising APC president for resolving matter in their party. Because Nyesom Wike have been saying it that the matter between him and Fubara is an internal affair of the PDP, that the party is settling it. Of course, the whole thing was laughable because Nyesom Wike never had any regards for the party. He worked against his own presidential candidate. He works against the interests of the party. Now he's a loyal party man, said that the party will decide. But that's by the way. Why I brought up this issue is because I want to show that PDP is on its way to be buried. Now, how can a party that claims to be the major opposition party in the country go to the leader of the government party in power, or the government leader of the party in power, because Tinubu is the leader of the APC, and for it to settle their internal affairs problem, and the governor, PDP governor, chairman of PDP governors, is praising him. So he thinks that Tinubu will have good intention for his party, that Tinubu will want peace in his party. Of course, Tinubu will be interested to ensure that whoever becomes in charge of Rivers State, whether it's Nyesom Wike or Fubara, in terms of the structure, the so-called structure, that person is on his side. So he will do it for his own selfish political gains. It can't be in the interest of the PDP. So PDP has shown itself to be irrelevant. And to even worsen the situation for them, the Bala himself and the other PDP governors paid a visit to Nyesom Wike, a kind of solidarity visit. Ordinarily, you would have expected that as PDP governors who had witnessed viral videos of their colleague who was tear gas and harassed by the police in Rivers State, to pay solidarity visit to Fubara. Instead, it was Nyesom Wike they paid solidarity visit to. I have never seen anything like that in my life, except a clear indication that the PDP has lost its way. Not that anyone has any sympathy, that one has any sympathies for them, but it just shows you the kind of politics that we play in Nigeria. Politics without principle, politics without integrity, politics without care of the people, even politics without shame. This is the PDP that ought to have suspended Nyesom Wike, supposed to have expelled Nyesom Wike a long time ago for openly antagonizing the party, for his anti-party activities, for working against the interests of his party, for working against the interests of their presidential candidate, for taking a ministerial position in a government formed by a different political party. There are so many grounds that they could have used to discipline Nyesom Wike. They didn't do that because perhaps Nyesom Wike to them is more important than the party itself. Now Nyesom Wike is in trouble. They are not running around him to save him as a member of the party. Because ordinarily, people in Rivers State, from opinion we are getting, are excited that Nyesom Wike's grip in Rivers State has loosened. So they don't want any peace. They don't want any rapprochement between Nyesom Wike and Fubara. They want this fight let it be a fight to finish. They don't want any reconciliation. They want their governor to be allowed to work for them without being dictated to from Abuja. So he is the one that has the people's support, Fubara. And he is the one that if PDP is a serious political party, or their governors are serious people, he is the one that need their support. He is the one that they need to have issued a statement to warn the security agencies to realize, to understand that the chief security officer of Rivers State right now is Fubara, who is the governor duly elected, and not Nyesom Wike, the minister of the FCT, who is in Abuja. You can see, I don't know whether you watch the press conference that was addressed by Edwin Clark. In that press conference, Edwin Clark was lamenting the way the security agencies were treated Fubara. And there are many people in Rivers State who are not happy the way their governor was treated by the security agents. That should have been enough reason for PDP governors to issue a statement and to tell the president to call those security agents in Rivers State to order, to let them know that the chief security officer, by law, in Rivers State right now, is Fubara and not Nyesom Wike. And that they have no right to allegedly take order from Abuja instead of taking order from Rivers State, as being alleged by Edwin Clark and so many other people that have been out on television and elsewhere talking about this matter, concerned citizens of Rivers State. That was the first thing that Governor Bola Ahmed ought to have done, to go to Rivers State to solidarize with the governor of Rivers State, who, against threat to his life, you can see go and watch the video when he was going to inspect the house of assembly that was destroyed or set on fire. What the way the police treated him. That is enough for a PDP Governors Forum chairman to lead a delegation to go and really sympathize with him and solidarize with him. But instead of doing that, they were running around the presidential villa, running around Nyesom Wike in Abuja, because the PDP itself is dead. It just remained to be buried. And that was why Nigerians rejected the PDP. That was why during the election, see how those who hitherto used to vote for PDP were rooting for Peter Obi of the Labour Party. PDP really has shown that they are incapable of providing opposition to the ruling APC. How could a party that claimed to be the major opposition party romancing with the government in power. That's why right now in Nigeria, the only people providing opposition is not even the Labour Party, it's the obedient movement. That's how bad things have gone in this country. And it's not a good sign. It's not a good sign that even the Labour Party appears also incapable of providing effective opposition. It's only the obedient movement that has been giving the ruling party a run for their money on and off social media. And the democracy can't function like this when you don't have a vibrant opposition party. When you have an opposition party like PDP that is dead, what will it lead? It leads to a one-party state. Or when you have a Labour Party where the chairman is telling the elected legislators that they should not collect, they should reject the imported vehicles, given the state of the naira to the dollar, that they should reject the vehicles that are imported, the jeeps that are imported. But what you are, the sign from the Labour Party lawmakers indicates that they are going to accept it anyway. So what is the difference between the Labour Party lawmakers and the PDP and the APC who have destroyed this country all these years? It means that there's no difference. Just because of things of this world. I had expected the Labour Party lawmakers to say, give us our own money different. Give us the money. That money you want to use to go and import, give it to us so that we can use it to buy a Nyesom motor or Peugeot Nigeria, so that whatever remains in the balance, we use it and develop our constituency to show at least that you are different, that they are different from APC and PDP who have destroyed this country. Instead, the Labour Party lawmakers are ready to accept the vehicles. They have not been able to win themselves of that kind of plutocracy. Even P2B, that's supposed to be an example to them, they are not following him. They don't want to follow his example. And I have said it, that if P2B is a National Assembly, he will not accept these vehicles. He will insist that they give him a Nyesom motors. He will insist they give him a made in Nigerian vehicle or Nigerian assembled vehicle in the interest of the nation. But the Labour Party has gone the way of the APC and the PDP. They have gone to the National Assembly and they have been corrupted like them, which was it's a very shameful development. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.